Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming captions exist and using a desktop browser because the transcript control appears there. Once done, open the video, click the three-dot menu under the player, and select Open Transcript. You will see lines of text paired with timestamps and a language selector. Make sure it displays the language you want. This step exposes the raw caption text in the page so you can copy directly or fetch the underlying caption file for cleaner export. Now choose whether to copy on-screen transcript or grab the caption file for accuracy. If copying on-screen, turn off timestamps via the transcript menu, then select and copy the text. This is quick for plain text. If you need timings or cleaner formatting, open Developer Tools, reload the page, filter Network for time text or VTT, and download the response. You do this because the downloaded file preserves timestamps and formatting for subtitle editors, or SRT conversion. Finish by converting and saving the captions in your desired format. If you downloaded VTT, open it in a text editor, remove webbed header if making. SRT, change timestamps to SRT format, and save with SRT extension. This ensures compatibility with most players. Make sure to proofread auto-generated lines for errors and fix line breaks. If captions aren't available, use developer tools to search for time text endpoints or run a local speech-to-text pass as a fallback. This resolves most missing transcript issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.